In today's video, I am going to teach you how to write equations in Notion. Whether you are documenting homework, drafting a research note, or just keeping your math neat and readable, Notion makes it easy to add beautiful, typeset equations using LaTeX. I'll show you 2 simple ways to insert a math block, then how to edit and save it so it renders perfectly on your page. First, the quickest method is the slash command. Move to a new empty line in your Notion page. Type / followed by the word math, or type / followed by the word equation. Then press enter. The moment you do, Notion will create a dedicated block equation for you. This is great when you already know what you want and prefer to keep your hands on the keyboard for speed and focus. If you prefer clicking through the menu, T here is a visual route as well. Start on a new line and look for the plus icon that appears to the left. Click that plus icon to open the block menu. Scroll down through the options and select block equation. Notion will drop the same equation block into your page, ready for input. This method can be helpful if you are exploring block types or building your layout with the mouse. Once you have your equation block, click inside it to begin typing or paste in your LaTeX code. LaTeX is a standard way to describe math, so it renders cleanly. For example, you can write E equals MC Fe2 using the caret for superscripts, X Fe for subscripts, frac Fe B for fractions, CRT Fe for square roots, and commands like alpha beta or pi for Greek letters. Use curly braces to group parts of an expression when needed, like frac Fe plus B. Fe. As you type, Notion will preview your equation so you can catch formatting issues right away. When you are finished editing, press Ctrl+Enter on Windows or CMD+Enter on a Mac to save and exit the block. This confirms your changes and returns you to regular text editing on the page. If you ever need to revise the equation, just click back into the block. Make your edits and press the same keyboard shortcut to save again. That's all there is to it. Use the slash command or the plus icon to insert a block equation. Type or paste your LaTeX, then save with Ctrl or CMD+Enter. With a little practice, you'll be adding clear, consistent math to your Notion pages in no time. Thanks for watching.